So we got our 3 clues. We know what our profit target was, 89.92, and let me show you guys how that came out here on my day trading time frame. Now, the last chart you saw, that was my 34 range. I'm going to use that to find my price structure, inside day, outside day. The 89 range chart is where I find the most important levels. So first of all, up top here is my inside day, okay? Above this box, okay? We've got inside day above, we've got outside day below. So my previous low of day right there, 91.22. 91.22. We were talking about this all morning this morning. And of course, there is that bear channel we talked about. Right? There's that bear channel we talked about. And then sure enough, don't forget, what was that number again? 89.92. This was some major support. Okay? We had a couple more major support levels above and below, but we were right between those. That was the next level of support right down below me. All right, so now we got bear channel, previous low of day up top, major support down bottom, and let's see how we did. Now remember, jobless claims, 8:30, summertime trading. I'm not going to go forcing anything here. As we go 8 o'clock, 8:15, 8:30, news comes out, it's crude bearish, but once again, they don't ask me, right, what to do. They, of course, sell off. And of course here, the first trade I take at 8:50, 2-step pattern long, I'm going to buy those lows right there. We then go up above the previous low of day, 8:58. I take a loss, try to buy above the previous lows, and then at 9:02, I try one more time for a plus 47. So like I said, the first trade we took today was at support. Now, if you recall this morning, when we made a lower low like that, I was originally looking to sell short, right? New lower low, sell retracements, but then we found this channel here and we said, whoa, wait a second. I'm not going to be selling into support here. Let's buy right here. So we buy the lows first, 42 ticks. We then go up above the previous lows. I try to buy on there and I get a plus 5. What was it? Plus 5 minus 7, I believe. Okay? 2 off at 5, 2 off at minus 7. That's a minus 4. And then again, we'll try one more time here above those previous lows. Again, remember, we're now thinking this is going to go all the way up to that previous high again. Okay? We don't know about this big drop yet. And we make 47 ticks there. So by 9 o'clock, we had worked for a little bit less than an hour here. And we'd already made, boy, close to 80 ticks, over 80 ticks of profit. And so that takes a lot of pressure off us. It really allows us now, right, to be resourceful and be patient to finish off the rest of our day. So we go up. We now become an inside day. We go above the previous lows. Inside day now, right? Inside day says expect price to keep going up. Explore that range above us. We chop around a little bit, and then sure enough here, by 9:30, we get through the 9:30 open, and we drop back down. Outside day. Now, we've talked about this a million times before. What does it tell me when I see it go inside, then outside? It's called a failure. And failures, remember guys, sometimes it's what doesn't happen is the most important thing. So we didn't keep rising, therefore we assume buyers are failing, sellers should be in charge now, outside day. Now I've got to get through 9:35. Okay, pretty sloppy here at 9:35. These candlesticks are real sloppy here. So of course, we can't take the wave short. Too sloppy at that time. We get a test of the lows here. Now remember, what's the key to a wave pattern? Wave short, lower lows. Is that a lower low? It's close, but it's not. So the second wave we see looks pretty good, but it's not a lower low. Wave 1, sloppy. Wave 2, no lower low. Here we go now. Wave 3,